Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Arizona. So I got you with the Arizona teaser. This is going to be an install of the Outback Rebel. I was in Arizona for training for the Outback Maverix, which is coming out after the first of the year. So I've got a client that wants one of these, no steering, just going to use the paint lines like this to see where he's spraying and spreading fertilize. I'll put a little bit of the video of Arizona. I ain't going to show much on the Maverix, but just kind of a teaser at the end of this video. So if you're here for the Outback because you searched Outback, thanks for watching. If you're one of my normal viewers, so something a little different, and maybe a little bit of Outback stuff going on that thing here pretty soon. So thanks for tuning in. So today we are going to install an Outback Rebel 10-inch display for a customer of mine, and I'm going to bring you through the steps. Pretty straightforward. Biggest thing is hiding wires and mounting things. So waiting on him to get here. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. So we got 3 boxes. I've done opened this one up. This is our display, and I'll get it out and show you. So this is the 10-inch display. It's thin, it's not bulky, it's not heavy. I'm excited to get this put on and show you what all it'll do. So next up is our smart antenna. And you can see you get a better hold. This is where the accuracy comes in right here. You might notice it looks a lot like another smart antenna. Raven is using the same one, but Outback Hemisphere owns Outback and they build them. And the next is all the goodies to install this bad boy. So let's waiting on the tractor, and we'll bring you back when we get a little closer. So this is a pretty basic install since there's no steering. I'm gonna mount it right here. It's got the ball mounts, and mount the antenna, and then we're gonna run our power wires and the coaxial for our antenna. So I've got it mounted over here. It can be adjusted for the user's preference, and it's kind of needs to be straightened up a little bit, but for right now, yep, right in within arm's reach we have accessibility. So now let's mount this antenna. So the antenna is magnetic. We got a fiberglass roof. So it did come with a double-sided tape and a mounting plate. We're gonna get that mark even left and right on the front of the tractor, and we're going to mount the antenna. Got the antenna mounted and ran down, connected. Got the power cable run under the floorboard, connected. Got a couple places to zip tie and hook the power, and we're ready to try it out. We have power. Okay, so we're going to set this thing up. New vehicles. We're in a Kubota, so we're going to set it orange. Vehicle type. Standard tractor. Vehicle name. Kubota. M9540. Now this particular client has decided that he's going to move it to another tractor in the future, so I will have to buy him another wiring harness, and that way they move between the two. So this feature right here, adding vehicles, is handy. So we'll get into the rest of it here in a little bit. So we'll go back over to menu, implement, new implement. He's got a 10-foot drill. Done. Implement settings, 10 foot. Alright, so we got us a 10-foot drill, trailed. Add that to favorites, back. And you can go up here and add more implements. He will be doing some spraying, pull type sprayer, and fertilize, spreading. I do not know the numbers on them. He can set them up. Alright, so let's take this thing out and run it. So we're out in the field. I've got my, I call it paint, on. And we can turn that off. Turn around. Since we don't have steering, this is the way I would use it. Come back up, hit apply, and we're right on our line again. Not perfect, but well, I'm freehanding this, trying to hold a camera, so you get the idea. So let's pull up here and look at some of the other features. So we got these different. We can do straight if you're running a pivot, and that would be with steering, or a contour where you got like a little S curve. Basically it's like that with all GPS's, but this is a pretty neat unit, and I'm fixing to go show my client how to use it. Now we got 3D mode, several different views, top down. So we done swapped them out. Justin and his son has left. They're tickled to death with their new Outback Rebel. If you're interested in purchasing one, send me an email or go to outback.com and find a dealer close to you. But I'd love to sell you one. Got a project coming up, another video, more detailed, I'm taking the T-Jet display and drive auto steer out of it and the mid-tech rate controller, replacing it with the Outback Rebel. Hydraulic steering, want to control the rate with it, and section control on the booms. So be looking for that video. And I've got other projects I need to finish. We won't talk about that. So thanks for watching. God bless you. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, it don't matter anymore. Leave me a comment, and thanks for subscribing, and Merry Christmas. Stay tuned. I've got some footage from my vacation workation in Scottsdale, Arizona. I've been a Outback dealer. I had some dealer training on the new terminal coming out, the Maverick. It's a little different than the Rebel, and I show some differences. So got a few clips and maybe some pictures. Merry Christmas. Well, I'm out here in Arizona learning about the new Outback Maverix. Thought I'd bring y'all along with me. So this is similar to the system I'm putting on my sprayer. I'm going to have 5 sections, but I hit the middle section. Skip in it. It's like farming simulator or something.
Yeah. And hit engage.
I like the sound that makes.
This thing's got a lot of sounds.
Don't run over that other tractor.
Turn the apply off as you turn around. There's our line. Get the apply on.
Care if I play with the fuse?
Nope, you're more than welcome to do anything. That's field mode. That's top down mode.
Happy little tree out there.
Yeah. I had a guy out